Here's a fun place. We're in LA today at the LA Flower Market. It's right next to the school, around the corner actually. And it's got all sorts, look at that, of rental props, lighting, vases, everything you could want. Silk flower arrangements. Silk butterflies that open and close. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Tons of silk garlands and charger plates for your wedding. Look at that. A wall of silk greens. Ooh. Craziness. All here at the LA Flower Market in Los Angeles. Pillars. Oh, there's another floor. Oh my God. Can you imagine what's up there? Long hallways, new products coming in. Here's all their silk flowers. Let's take a walk down the wall of silk flowers. And silk palm trees, apparently. You are in LA at the LA Flower Market. We are flowerschool101.com. Schools around the country. Join us in class and learn how to put all this stuff together. I'm Michael Gaffney. Here's a pretty spot. Look at that. I'm Michael Gaffney. There are my students up there looking through the product. It is flowerschool101.com with classes happening all year round. Check out what city is nearest you and get in on the bloom.